My college professor really loved this presentation, and I didn't have spent I didn't have spent hours to make it. And here is how it looks. And I didn't have used the high-end laptops or any high-end device to make this PPT. And you can see here the look of the PPT. This is decent for the college presentation. And many of the students are spending hours to make the PPT. And literally I have not have spended my valuable time on it, and just I created it in few seconds. So here is how I will show you how I created it. Just open the Chrome and search Gamma AI and click on the Gamma and then get login in it. Okay, and here is proof that my sir has given the topic from here, and I have choosing one topic. I already make a PPT, but for showing you I will select one topic. Okay, I will select this. Okay, and click on the create new AI, and you will find out this: create with AI. How will you like to get started? Just go through here. This cat you can see here is showing you not sure, start here. Just click on it. This is for us. Okay, here you can see how much cards you want to add. Max to max you can add 10, and afterwards if you think you don't want to pay, as you are student you don't want to pay, so you can use first make the 10 PPT and then another one. If you want more, then you can regenerate it. Okay, and here you can select the language. I will select only English only. Okay, you can select here the ratio. I will select the default fluid, and here you can select the classic also good one. No need to purchase and go to the Studio Pro level. Okay, just click on the generate outline, and here you will get the outlines. Just I have given one topic and you have generated this. Okay, now here comes the editing part. How did you want, detailed or executive? So I will use the detailed. Okay, and the style you can choose anyhow, means it's upon you. Okay, I will choose this one because it looks so attractive. And if you doesn't if you want more, so you can also choose from here. You can see here the sample is given, so how your PPT will look like, you can see here. You see here where many fonts are there. You can choose anyone and select it. I will select this theme only. Okay, take the name Aurium. Okay, and here you can select the which image does the PPT should you choose from. You can select stock photos, so that your professor will doesn't know that it is made by AI. That's what I have did. Select for stock photos. Okay, this is done. Hit the generate button and just wait. And now just see the screen how it fastly creates the PPT. That's why I told you. And this is very helpful for the people who are just means people who are just businessmen, and suddenly they want a PPT and there are no employee, so then also they can make this. Okay, you can see my hands are up, and that PPT has generating by the AI, totally by AI. You can see, just I have given the title, means a topic, and then he has created the whole PPT. Now here you can see the text font, the information, the way he has presented, and the images also stock footage. So sir can also can say that you have made by AI. Okay, I know that the background looks like AI generated, but you can choose the background as per your need. If you want to impress the sir, he doesn't ask you that from which source you have made this. Okay, and here you can see how the premium this PPT looks like. Here you can see the stock footage of the uncle and auntie, and you can see here the he has selected also high quality of images, not like a blurry images. Okay, the he has explained in the percentage also. Then the icons he has used to explain very well, so you don't need to explain detailedly. From the image also they can understand. Okay, he understand actually how the human thinks, human being wants. Okay, as per this, now everything's fine. Okay, now comes the main part. You are not going to open this website and going to show this to the sir and tell sir this is my PPT. To make this, if you want to change anything, here I am clearing. If you want to change anything, just go on this and click on agent. Okay, here you can see one agent chat box comes here, and just do one thing, click on any part. Here you can see one coloring palette, card styling. You can edit it as per your need, and if you select, or I will select this image. Okay, here you can see the everything is added here, and if I say edit this, so it will edit as per the need. Okay, so for currently I don't need of currently I no need of it. So now present, click on the present, and you can also show by like this also. But if you want to share it, so do one thing, click on this lock icon. Here you can see lock private share it. Just click on it, and here you can use, go on here export and export to the PowerPoint. If you click on it, here one box will come. If your downloads not start, then here will one this click here to download it. Okay, now the downloading has started. You can see here, and it downloads very fastly. Don't worry about it. And if you want to show to the sir, you can use uh, PPT, PDF also. Okay, now just let me open it and show you the how it looks. Now I will show you the most illegal part of this, that sir will never notice. I bet you. Okay, click on the edit. Here you will get edit. Okay, like this one yellow part is came on the top side. You have seen that I have clicked on the edit. After clicking on it, I can edit whole PPT like this. You can see I can literally edit it anyhow. Okay, and now you can, now your simple work, that is I want to add some transitions, I want some designs. You can go through anything. Okay, do whatever you want about your PPT. Don't worry about it. Okay, and here you can see have destroyed the PPT now only. Wait a second, let me open once again. Now just go on the presentation, click on F5 and you can go through, explain everything, and your PPT has done. See you in the next video. Bye bye.